begin? Let's begin now.
Good morning, everybody. This is VNfatBIKER again, and it's weekend. So, before we proceed, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to continue to receive all tech gadgets review, tutorials, and travel adventures of VNfatBIKER. As you can see, this is another drone. They call it the smallest drone ever in the market, produced by Cheerson company. This is a CX10 4-channel nano drone. So we're going to unbox this one, check everything was inside, and then later we will try the usual test flight. I hope I can fly this one. Okay, so hold on guys, let's open this one and let's enjoy and continue watching. Let's start unboxing this one. Okay, let's put the drone there. Okay, as you can see on the box, okay, that's the boxing. 2.4 gigahertz. There's available all 4 colors. Okay, it can 3D flip, 3-dimensional, and produced by Cheerson. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, inside the box, oh, it's a girly thing. Sorry, this is the only available nano drone for this one, this color. So there is an available remote control to the drone. Okay, as you can see here, it's a standard controller. You can navigate the horizontal and vertical movement of the drone, and this one is if you would like to do some flipping of the drone, which as you can see here they said 3-dimensional flip. Okay, let's see, hope if we'll try it, it will not break the drone. Okay, this controller is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Okay, and then inside, as you can see, there is the charger for the drone from your standard USB and going here to the drone. We'll check again later. And there's a 4 spare propeller for the drone. So tiny. Okay. And another one is a user manual by Cheerson. Oh, it's a good thing it is in English. Okay, there's a detailed instruction manual, how to use the controller, and how you fly this nano drone. Again, as of now, this is the smallest drone ever in the market. Okay, now let's go to the actual drone. This is my palm. As you can see how small it is. It's a standard drone, okay, but the scale is so small. Okay, so each propeller have a designated motor. There's a switch also, on and off, and the charging port. Okay, so that's the base or the bottom side. As you can see, this is the top, and these are the sides. As you can see, that is the CX10 Cheerson nano drone. How big it is? Okay, how big it is? I have a coins here, So this is a 5 peso coin, and this is the Cheerson nano drone. So just imagine how big it is. Okay, so that's the CX10 4-channel nano drone, and now let's try how it fly. Hope it will not break. Okay, continue watching guys. Thank you. Okay guys, let's try to have that first.